Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is basically we're just doing a little unboxing and we're going over some sneakers from 2025 versus 2026. Basically, we're discussing the Jordan 3 model, and we're going to be discussing, well, are the 2026 pairs better or the 2025 pairs better? I just got one pair from each year, so some pretty basic models, and yeah, basically just discussing what we got so far. And yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy. Just a fun little topic for today, simple little video, you know what I mean? Just unboxing basically. So yeah, we'll go over these pairs, see which one's better. It's really just like a personal opinion, really. So in terms of like which one's better, they're still really both like built the same. You know, there isn't major differences. We'll try and point out the ones we see, but these pairs are actually pretty similar in a sense of terms of their colorway, age, all that. So yeah, we'll kind of get into it from there. So if you guys do want more content like this, go ahead, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Don't forget the normal goal we always shoot for here on the channel is 300 likes. If you could do that, that'd be great. If not, again, everything else I normally mention is down below in that pinned comment. You guys can check out my Instagram, enter the giveaway for the free blue tile SBs. Don't forget that is in my pinned comment. Just go there to my most recent reel. It's pinned. Tag your 2 friends, like the post, and just let me know why you want to win the blue tiles. And that's really all you got to do, man. You guys can get entered for a free pair of those. So make sure you guys check that out and go get entered for some free sneakers there. And is there anything else I'm forgetting? Yeah, just check us out on TikTok down below. If you like copying like streetwear auctions, things like that, then feel free to come cop some stuff for your collection. You know what I mean? If you need like some new tees, anything like that. We run tons of auctions over there. Lots of Supreme stuff this week. So hope to see y'all there, and yeah, that's down below too. So that's really what I can say. I hope you guys will enjoy. I'm gonna let my cat finish her business over there since she's been a little bit noisy, and then yeah, we'll get started on unboxing these Jordan 3s and seeing if the 2025 or 2026 pairs are better. All right, so my cat just finished doing her business there. Always so noisy because, you know, like the cat litter, got sort through it, all that. So it's fine. I just cleaned it for her, so she loves using it right when I clean it. So aside from that. Got to do that each morning, you know what I mean? So we got 2 pairs right here, 2 very recognizable models. We have the True Blue Air Jordan 3s and the Black Cement Jordan 3. Now, I'm going to say this right off the bat to get my personal bias out the way. I like both of these sneakers a lot, but my favorite of the 2 shoes is 100% this one right here. This is like the sneaker, I told y'all this in my True Blue unboxing. This colorway of Jordan 3s in particular, right, the True Blues, is actually the sneaker that pretty much got me in 2 shoes, right? I saw the True Blue 3s, and that's kind of when I really started getting into Jordan and Supreme and all that more. When I saw these, I was like, these are so cool. And it was back in 2016, so I saw those ones, right? I believe the blue's a little bit darker on the 2016 ones, if I'm right. But that's aside from the point, right? Let's just get into comparing these 2 shoes. So one thing I noticed right off the bat, right, that we do have similar between both the pairs, right? And I'm not worried about getting these Black Cements dirty, since I'm probably just going to end up keeping these for the collection. You guys can see we both got that hang tag right there. So you guys can see same details right there. They're not using the metal ball chain. They're just using the plastic hang tag right there. So although that was fine, you know what I mean? They don't need to, you know, use the like OG, like heavy plastic tag every time. You know, I feel like that wouldn't be super necessary, right? And I've already misorganized these. So let me fix this right here. We're going to show all the portion by the heel too, because this is probably another very similar portion between these sneakers, of course, other than really like the Nike Air. Okay, there we go. Should be able to not drop these here. So you guys can see everything right there. The only difference we got is just the Nike Air lettering. You can see on the True Blues is blue and the Black Cement is white. And then you guys can see we got the elephant print. So really in terms of the Jordan 3s between like this year and last year, another difference we have, I'm going to show y'all that actually right now. So keep in mind the box, 2025. 2026, where we got MJ trying to like mog us, you know what I mean? As you can see MJ right there staring at you. I don't know if it's gonna focus, maybe. Well, oh, you can see him. You stare. Hey, hold on. You ain't getting away with that, brother. Hold on. Hey. Yeah, you got MJ right there staring away. So that's another detail. But aside from that, let me just grab one of each sneaker, right? Just to kind of show you all the details here. So we got one of each pair in my hand here. Let me try and grab. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna grab one of each of the same side shoes, so we kind of get the same view here, right? But looking at really what we got in terms of like the leather, very similar. Like it's a little bit different, right, on the Black Cements, but that's just because, again, the choice of material they had to go with for like the overall colorway. They had to go with like a black leather material versus, again, this right here, just more like a simple, how can I put this? Like it's more of a basic leather on the True Blues, you know what I mean? With this, it's a little bit more like fancy, nicer, if that makes sense. Like you'll definitely notice it when wearing the Black Cements, right? And also another thing I can notice right off the bat, definite difference right here, is the cut. Look at how these are cut. So you guys can see it's a little bit different. These are a little taller than these. These ride a little bit lower, as you guys can see. Look at that. Maybe you guys can see what I'm talking about. Ready? They're both the same size too. Or True Blues might be a little bit bigger, but you guys can see like these are a little bit lower per se. You know what I mean? So these actually might be more comfy for daily wear. So the 2025 ones we got right here might be a little bit better for that. Might have a better daily wear pair here, but I do like this colorway more. So you can actually already see I've got this one laced up because I wore these for an on-feet video. But in terms of the differences, that's really only one of the major ones I noticed. And maybe these are a different size. That would be the only reason we'd see that. 9.5, 9.5. No, they're both the same size. So yeah, 2025 ones are riding a little bit lower. Maybe you guys can see what I'm talking about. They got the 2026 ones riding a little bit higher, as you guys can see. So my 2025 ones riding low right there, as you guys can see. So that's really what we got with the black cements, or I guess just 2025 Jordan 3s. They're a little bit more lower cut. Maybe that's more of an OG type thing, right? Because these are definitely riding pretty high, right? As y'all can see, it's a pretty tall heel right there. But aside from that, those are just a few of the differences. The box, the overall cut. In terms of their comfort, I mean, I'm pretty sure they're the exact same. We're actually going to try them on right now to kind of see if the comfort's similar, right? So there's everything right there. Here, let me show all the heels. Literally the exact same with both these colorways. Black Cement, True Blues, both got the same sole right there. So that's you guys can see. Boom. So yeah, aside from that, I've already tried on the True Blues, but we're going to try both on again. I'll hop outside real quick, and we'll just kind of give you all a view of which one we think is more comfortable. Honestly, I think these might win. They look very comfortable. I don't know why I get that view with these, but we'll try them on and we'll see. We'll do the most important test. So the 2025 ones or the 2026 ones more comfy. I have already broken in the 2026 ones a little bit, so I am going to take that into account. So if the 2025 ones are equally as comfy or a little bit more comfortable, I'm definitely going to make sure to mention that. So yeah, there we go. Black Cement. Now let's try these on with the True Blues, and we'll see which one's better. All right, so as you guys can see, we got both pairs right here. The True Blues looking clean, and we got the Black Cements right here again, also looking super clean. And we got decent lighting right here. I mean, I'll probably just turn around and the lighting will be a bit better, right? But aside from that, we're gonna try both these on. Y'all have seen me try these on, but we'll do it again. And yeah, we'll kind of let y'all know what's more comfortable, honest take. And yeah, we'll go from there. So let's do it. Okay, so there we go. Trying to give you all a little bit of like just a quick view there of them on feet. They look good. Like, I mean, there's no doubts about that. Like, the sneaker is a wearable shoe. Like, y'all can check that out. You see what I'm talking about. Like, it's a nice colorway and really easy to wear. And also super comfortable. Again, there's no doubts about that. We got this ant peeling through right here. Hey, stay on my video, bro. No, I'm kidding. But, yeah, aside from that, you guys can see just everything works together nicely in the shoe. So that's probably my main reason I like this colorway, and it goes with, you know, the sweats. So I mean, there's a reason I like this colorway a bit more, right? You guys probably tell I like blue. But aside from that, we're gonna show these on feet now, because I have a feeling these could beat out these for comfort. Obviously for colorway, I'm gonna choose these. But let's try a 2025 Jordan 3 and see, are they more comfortable? All right, so we'll do some better shots for these on feet in a second. But I mean, first thing I'm gonna say is they look really nice on feet. I love the leather. Like, how that looks on feet is perfect. Like, it's a very, very well done sneaker. And here's the portion by the heel too, just so you guys can check that out. I mean, there you go. Looks great. You guys get a better view again of that heel portion in a second. But I do want to say this, as much as I love these, and I do like the low cut, how it kind of shows like the ankle right here a bit, right? I do like it, but being honest with you guys, I think they did go back and they added more padding, 100% noticeable right off the bat on the 2026 pairs. Like, immediately when you're feeling by the heel here, and even on this, right, you'll just notice it's a little bit more thin on the 2025 ones, right? So I think they went back and they added a little bit more padding on the 2026 pairs, just to be like, hey, let's keep these a bit more comfortable, good for daily wear. And yeah, I think that's a reason why I think these ones are a little bit better than 2026. They're just a bit more comfortable. They got a bit more padding. And I mean, obviously I'm biased on the colorway of this one. I just like the True Blues. So aside from the colorway and all that, I think they just do have a bit more comfort
on the 2026 ones. But aside from that, let's still go ahead and show you all these on feet, everything with them, because yeah, they're super solid and I really like these. So let's go. All right, so we just put both of them on. We tried them on. We, tested the comfort. I kind of can show y'all what I'm talking about here in terms of the 2025 ones being a bit more thin. You see this? Just not as much. But look at the look at that. You see what I mean? Look at that difference. So I just think the 2026 ones are a bit more comfortable. I like the colorway a bit more. And of course I am biased over the colorway just because that red, white, and blue. And this is literally the shoe, the colorway that got me into sneakers. But I'm picking these. They have more comfort. And yeah, honestly, I like the tall heel a bit more. I think these will last a bit more with some time. I don't know why this is decided not to focus now, but all right. And yeah, we also got the black cements right here. Still a great sneaker though. There's no doubt the 2025 Jordan 3s are great. They just don't have as much comfort with them. You guys see we finally put these on. Looks great. And yeah, you can see just a little bit more of a short heel. Less padding on the inside. That's what you'll get with the 2025 ones. Good for actual basketball, I would say. But if you just need a general daily wear pair, I'd go with the 2026 ones. You just get a bit more comfort here, as you can see. So, yeah, that's my take on that. Let's get into the outro, yeah? I don't know what I just said right there, but let's just go to the outro.
So yeah, guys, we're here at the outro of this video, and that's pretty much what I can say about Jordan 3s from last year versus, well, this year. And I mean, in terms of like, the colorways, you guys can see they're still pretty similar. Like the black cements and true blues are very similar in terms of the elephant print. They both got the Nike Air by the heel, and they're both very popular GR colorways that people know, right? And I think the black cements are great. I just think they, should have had the build like the 2026 ones, you know what I mean? They were just a little bit thin for me, I like them still, but, I prefer definitely like a thicker pair of Jordan 3s. One that definitely has a bit more comfort to it. One I can wear around a bit more. So yeah, that's kind of what I see a bit more with the true blues. It's a little bit more wearability, but the black cements definitely are a clean colorway that you can wear with pretty much anything. So understanding that, I mean, I feel like it's more personal opinion in today's video. Do you like pairs with more padding or less? And yeah, that's pretty much it. And well, they're both great still. You can see they're nice colorways, so no doubt about that. But if you guys want more content like this, don't forget, subscribe and like down below for more. The normal goal we always shoot for here in the channel is 300 likes. If you could do that, that'd be great. If not, everything else I mentioned is down below my Instagram page. And to that free giveaway, don't forget, for the blue tile SB dunk low, just go to my pinned reel, tag your 2 friends, like the post, and let me know why you want to win the pair. And you get to choose the pair, keep in mind, in your size. So definitely make sure you guys enter that. Let me know why you want to win, and drop a boy a follow so you don't miss the future giveaways we got coming up next month. And is there anything else that I'm forgetting right now? Let me think. Oh yeah, the TikTok streetwear auctions. Come cop if you ever want to get some streetwear offers. Again, all down below. Come cop something for your collection, man. Get yourself right. And we do tons of stuff over there. Lots of Supreme accessories and like spider tees, things like that this week. So if you're looking for anything like that, check it out. We'll have some more gear this week as well from different brands. I'm trying to think of some new stuff we'll get. But just lots of Supremes. If you like Supreme, hey, this week, see you there in the auctions. But that's it, guys. I'm T. Thank you all. Hopefully I'll catch you guys tomorrow in the next video. And if you guys have any questions down below, just let me know there. And yeah, I'll catch you guys there. Key to you being good. And here's a photo of my cat, as y'all see being a big baby this morning. We gotta do work today, okay, kid? Gotta do a lot of work, okay? We hung out a lot yesterday and this morning. Yes. My cat just wants to hang out all the time. I'm like, bro, I gotta do a little work, all right? I don't blame her, though. She's so nice. So, all right. See you guys tomorrow in the next video. Hopefully I'll catch you guys then. Peace out, gang.